Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Don't forget to click on your notification button to enable you to see more of our videos, and subscribe, please, like, go to our Instagram, just search for Austin Global Cosmetic, and Facebook the same as well. A quick one, I just want to tell you, we do training also. If you want to learn how to make skincare business, how to make whitening creams, scrub, glowing lotions, and face wash and all that, body wash, or you want to learn how to make black soap. Now you want to know everything about cosmetic as well. Training from scratch, moisturizing creams as well. We do all that. Just register with our college, you know what I mean? So what we do today, I just was like it been 4 days now. I've not been dropping a video due to some other emergencies that I have to attend, So a quick one, that's why I want to make proper review on this, because a lot of people, they be just calling me about this Whitening Crude Kenacol, and it's really serious right now. The Whitening Crude Kenacol, they needed Whitening Crude Kenacol. That was why I said, okay, you need Whitening Crude Kenacol. It's not just that ordinary Whitening Crude Kenacol. I have my Dubai Crude Kenacol. So that's why I brought this out today again to show us this Dubai Crude Kenacol. For us that have been having this stretch mark, green veins, yes, this is your problem. Solve your problem. You have any problem about that, you can solve it via this. Now let me tell you about this Dubai Crude Kenacol. It takes away all green veins. You understand? If your skin is wet off, like those kind of softs that you can't even apply lotions anymore, use the Crude Kenacol, because it will make, in as much as lightening you more better, it will make your skin stand firm, strong, you understand? And if you have this wrinkle on your skin, this Dubai Crude Kenacol will lighten it up and all straight that place, make it unique again. A lot of us, we adapt too much. You say, oh, what is he saying again? What is he saying again? But I'm telling you, because a problem talk, a problem share, a problem discuss is a problem solve. I always tell you guys. So if you have this in mind that you don't want to share with anybody, so they stay with you like that. But if you share with me, call me, chat with me, and see how you can, wherever, irrespective of any place you are, I will send it to you. Are you getting? So Dubai Crude Kenacol is a whitening Crude Kenacol that when you put it inside your lotion, before you know it, you becomes white. Are you getting it? And it takes off every white patches, green vein, varicose vein, spider vein, Yes, they might just be there for some years now. It's gradually. It's not like the ones I tell you 7 days, 5 days. No, this one is gradually. So don't come tell me, oh, you say the ones I tell you 7 days, they are 7 days. All right. So this one is gradually. All right. Fine. Now, are you looking for the perfect oil? I've told you about that. I've got a lot of oil for you. A lot of whitening oils that you will use, you will see result. Now, I've told you about this caramella oil. This caramella oil, now, a lot of people, they've been looking for it. I tell you, I'm the only person that got this thing for people last year, and they say this year we're bringing it out again. Caramella oil is an excessive 1 week. Repeat after me. Say it 1 week. Okay, so 1 week whitening. Are you getting it? And it's a Thailand oil also, not a joke. It's a Thailand oil. So if you have that thing, like your lotion is not be working, you're having this issue, your lotion is not be working, or you can see results. You can see those videos I post in there. You can go and check my Instagram. There are videos I'll be posting a lot, back-to-back reviews. You get it. So this oil will make you white in 1 week, and constant usage you will turn a white lady. And don't forget, from Monday, from next month, we'll be bringing out another new product called White Woman. So that is what we'll be really talking about mostly. So back to this oil. If you know your lotion is not working, just get this, or you get our blend pro 9. What are you waiting for? You bought a lotion for somebody and it's not working, and you bought it very expensive, so you want to throw it on. You don't need to throw it on. Just contact me. I will give you something you will put, and it's called blend pro 9, or you can put this oil. Before you know it, you're white. Some of all those big names, I don't need to pay any celebrity to do all this for me to come and show you what is not using. She's not using it, he or she is not using it, then she will be telling no, I don't need. So that is true. For you to know what I'm saying, just patronize us and see the result. All right. Then again, I give to you. You see that lady? You see how her face is glowing, shining, whitening. This is what she used. This is our face cleanser. You see, this face cleanser is 100% perfect. That you can use it for your body as well, for your neck, your shoulders. Like you be getting darker, you're having some of all this aging spot. It will lighten you up. It will remove every damn of those dark spots from you. I don't want you to know that I tell you, anything I tell you, believe me, it will work. Absolutely. I don't want you to be like, because the accurate measurement for all these is being written on the body, which I will explain. I don't want you to be like, oh, you didn't tell us the measurement we will use is written on the body. And if it's not, that you can call me also, I will let you know. Above that, the pH level for all this thing is well tested. So let's not just behave like unlearned people. The pH level is well tested. And when they tell you what is, some people, they don't know what is pH level. They don't know what is pH. Some people, they tell me saying that Port Harcourt, pH is Port Harcourt. Like somebody, when it's not a joke, or say, you mean cream, they get Port Harcourt. I say, oh, Jesus, this one. So it's not a joke. The pH level is well tested. That is, the exact amount of acid is in here is well tested, and basically they are all fruit acid. Even when I travel to Thailand to tell my customers, my producers over there, that this is what I need, this is what I need, the pH level, and most of our product over there, they always make them with fruit, the acid, fruit acid, so it's not, which is friendly to the body also. So that is that. I've just shown you now. Then I want to show you this Korean Caribbean oil. I told you this body wash, this body wash is 100% in whitening. And first of all, we'll still talk about the pH level also, which is well tested. Again, at least 2% is okay. All right, I think 2% is okay. So this one, at least 1 week, you will see result. If you're using them separately, fine. If you're using them together, fine. If you're using our our whitening black soap, fine. All of them, are you getting it? So this one is 1 week. We have it in large quantity. For wholesaler, if you want to get this, you can always contact her. You see, as that girl, they fair. You see her for the screen right now. Now, so she just be, and these are the products she'll be using. No joro. What will it profit me if I take your money from you and I sell rubbish for you? It's just babadash. It won't profit me anything. Are you getting it? So the thing is, get this thing at the right time when it's still cheap now. Get it and use and give us reviews. Our priority here is the review you give to us to make others to believe that this thing is working. We use the right powders, we use the right oils, we use the right whatever we use them. So let me not say much. Are you getting it? So have this in mind. If you want to learn how to produce all this, you can contact us. I will be dropping other DIYs too. If you want to learn how to make them personally, you can contact us. Or if you don't have that time, you want to be buying in bulk as wholesale, fine, we sell for you. All right, we sell for you. So the thing is, have this in mind. Like I said, always say, stay glued to this channel. We have other channels as well where we sell weave-ons, where we sell Africa attires, like all that, and we sell food stuff. We have other channel, but for this channel, it's all about skincare. So stay glued with us. Stay glued with us. Stay glued with us.